Hi there! Today, we're showcasing eCardWidget's custom form fields feature, a powerful capability that transforms any eCard into an interactive data collecting experience. For the purpose of this demo, we've created an employee recognition eCard form that demonstrates every aspect of this feature. However, this same technology can power customer engagement campaigns or any interactive digital experience you need. When a sender clicks on our eCard, they see this comprehensive form that goes far beyond traditional eCard functionality. It starts with the familiar eCard elements: sender information, recipient details, and a personal message section. But here's where custom form fields transform the experience. Below the standard fields, we have a complete custom section that can collect any type of data you need. Image upload. Let's add a photo related to what we're celebrating. Watch how this integrates into the design. Notice how the uploaded image immediately appears in the eCard preview, seamlessly integrated into our design. This isn't just data collection, it's dynamic content creation. Project or initiative name. I'll enter Project Global. Notice how this text appears immediately in the eCard preview in real time. This real-time integration means senders can see exactly how their input will look in the final card, creating confidence and engagement throughout the process. For the additional comments or context, here I can add specific information like this. Project boosted conversion by 23%. Kudos. Watch how this longer form content integrates into designated areas of the eCard design, maintaining visual hierarchy and brand consistency. Category selection. Our dropdown includes relevant options that ensure consistent data while allowing personalization. Date information. The date field lets us commemorate when this happened. I'll select any random date. Compliance assurance. Finally, our consent checkbox ensures all content meets your organization's sharing guidelines. This type of compliance control is essential for organizations that need to maintain content standards while enabling user-generated content. The most powerful aspect is watching the eCard design update in real time as we fill out the form. Every piece of information becomes part of a beautiful, personalized eCard that maintains brand standards while celebrating individual contributions. When submitted, this creates a memorable, personalized experience that goes far beyond a simple greeting card message. Let's see what the recipient receives. They get an email notification with a link to view their personalized eCard. When they click to view it, they see the complete personalized eCard with all the custom elements beautifully integrated. The photo, custom details, selected categories, and heartfelt message all combined into one cohesive, branded experience. This isn't just an eCard. It's a comprehensive digital experience that recipients can save, share, and treasure. It validates specific moments while reinforcing your organization's brand and values. Let's show you exactly how to build these interactive eCard experiences. This is eCardWidget's custom form fields editor, your complete control center for creating dynamic digital experiences. We're working with 3 main panels that provide complete visual control. On the left, you'll find the custom form fields builder, where you design your form structure. In the center, there's the eCard image preview, which shows you how your fields merge into the design in real time. And on the right, the live form preview lets you see exactly what senders will experience. This 3-panel approach ensures you can build, design, and test simultaneously without ever losing sight of the user experience. Here's how we constructed our interactive eCard form. Each field type has its own distinct visual indicator. Text fields, shown with gray icons, are for names, project titles, and other text-based content. Image uploads, perfect for adding photos, documents, or visual elements. Drop-down selections are ideal for categorized choices and structured data. Checkboxes cover consent, agreements, and simple yes or no responses. And finally, we have organizational elements, which help structure the form and guide the user seamlessly. Each field can be expanded to reveal its configuration options, and take note of these key control icons. The target icon lets you place the field directly into the eCard design. Visibility controls allow you to hide or show specific fields. And the ordering handles make it easy to rearrange the field sequence to fit your flow. Let me show you the complete toolkit available. Click Add Field to see every option. First up, the text collection fields. Short text is great for names, titles, or project identifiers. It's a single-line response field with character limits, perfect for structured data entry. Long text is ideal for detailed descriptions, comments, or even stories. It gives users a multi-line text area with formatting support, perfect for narrative content. Let's take a look at the image upload field. This allows users to submit photos with a built-in preview, attach documents directly to the form, and integrate visual content seamlessly. It also includes file type and size validation, so everything stays clean and consistent. And we also have other fields: email, website, phone, and number. Great for collecting contact details and simple data. All come with a built-in validation to keep things clean. Next, interactive selection fields. Choice. Perfect when you've got lots of options. Drop-down. Great for single-choice questions. And consent checkboxes for terms, agreements, and opt-ins. Keep everything clear and easy to follow. Use label to guide users. Headings to split things up. And paragraph to provide extra details or background. Need to schedule something? Use a date picker to select dates, and a time selector to lock in specific times. Let's dive into field configuration using short text as our example. Every field type comes with a full set of customization options. For the basic field settings, first, there's the label field. This is what users see as the field name. Make it clear and descriptive. For example, project or initiative name. Next is the content field, which is used internally for administrative purposes. It helps you stay organized and identify fields in your backend system. Placeholder text is the helper text that appears inside the field before users type. You might say, enter the project name or type your message here. Hint text appears just below the field, offering extra guidance. Use it for format instructions, examples, or added clarification. And finally, maximum length lets you set character limits, anywhere from 1 to over 1,000 characters, so you can control data input and maintain consistency. Now, let's take a look at advanced behavior controls that fine-tune how each field behaves and appears. The required field toggle ensures users must complete this field before submitting the form. It's essential when you're collecting critical data. The show label toggle controls whether the field label is visible to users. In some cases, you might prefer to use it just a placeholder text for a clear design. The full width toggle determines how the field is laid out. Full width fields stretch across the entire form, while non-full width fields can be arranged in columns for a more compact layout. Go ahead and change these settings and watch how they instantly update the form preview on the right. That real-time feedback makes it easy to get things just right. Now for the feature that really sets custom form fields apart, dynamic field placement. Let's click the target icon next to project or initiative name. Watch as the eCard preview updates to highlight placement opportunities. These blue circles represent where your dynamic content can appear within the design. And it's not just for text. Images, dates, and other field types can be placed just as easily. Once I select a position, the field's content will show up right here in the final eCard, exactly where I want it, every time. When you place a text field into your eCard design, you're not just positioning it. You're transforming it into a fully customized design element. Let's explore the typography controls. You can choose your font from the font family library and select the color. Apply text styling like bold, italic, underline or strike through, or even combine them for emphasis. Set your text alignment to left, right, or center. Under font options, you can adjust the font size, line spacing, letter spacing, and set it into vertical center. This level of control ensures your eCard design looks polished and on-brand every time. Now, let's explore merge tags and content integration. Once you're done setting up your custom form fields, click Apply and go back to the main editor. Every custom field automatically becomes available as a merge tag for use throughout your eCard content. Here, you can see all available merge tags. Standard eCard merge tags, such as the sender's name, the recipient's name, and even their email address can be used. Custom field merge tags, such as the project name, the reason for recognition, and any other text that you want can also be included. These merge tags can be used anywhere in your eCard content, such as in the eCard subject and the body text. To add the merge tags into your content, simply click the merge tag and it will automatically be copied. For example, you want to add the reason for recognition. Simply find it in the merge tag selection and copy it. Now, go to Details, eCard body text, and paste the merge tag anywhere in your content. This feature creates unlimited possibilities for personalization. You can also set a preview of what the customized result will look like, rather than a blank template. See how this thumbnail shows the eCard with sample content already filled in? This is achieved through our custom thumbnail feature. To do this, go to Widget Options and Widget Cover Thumbnail. Upload your image to give senders a clear preview of what their personalized eCard could look like. This preview capability significantly increases engagement because people can immediately envision the final result instead of an incomplete eCard design. Let's explore the advanced customization available for image fields. First, we have the default image management. You can upload the default thumbnail to serve as a professional placeholder before the user uploads anything. You can also set fallback image options in case no image is submitted. Let's try to upload a default image. This default image plays an important role. It shows users where their image will appear, maintains a polished professional layout during form completion, offers visual guidance for optimal composition, and keeps your design consistent, even if no image is uploaded. Now, let's switch perspectives and see what the image upload experience looks like for your end users. When users reach an image field, they're greeted with an intuitive upload interface. They can click this field and easily choose from their files for the photo. Next comes the image cropping and adjustment experience. Users can fine-tune their upload with a robust interactive cropping tool. You can simply drag the handles to adjust the crop area. Aspect ratio enforcement ensures the image fits perfectly within your design specs. Watch as I upload and crop an image, and you'll see it appear exactly as designed with all formatting, positioning, and styling applied. Now let's take a look at the power of real-time design population. As users fill out the form, the magic happens live. Text appears instantly in the eCard preview, styled with your chosen fonts, size, colors, and layout. Every field dynamically fills its place in the layout, creating a cohesive, personalized result that upholds your brand and elevates the user experience. Let's take a look at some advanced layout scenarios that give you full creative flexibility. First up, multiple image placement. You can position multiple image fields across your design, each with different sizes and placements for varied visual impact. Another is dynamic text sizing. Text fields can also be configured to adapt the content on the fly. Use auto-sizing containers that expand as users type longer content. Make sure all changes are saved in your widget. Once done, we can now test the fields. You can test your eCard using the Form Preview panel. This panel provides real-time testing capabilities. Fill out various fields in the preview and make sure users can easily send an eCard using the custom fields you created. Check each of the features and send an eCard to yourself. Let's see what the recipient receives. They get an email notification with a link to view their personalized eCard. When they click to view it, they see the complete personalized eCard with all the custom elements beautifully integrated. The photo, custom details, selected categories, and heartfelt message all combined into one cohesive, branded experience. Track your eCard's performance by going to real-time eCard logs, and you can also download your data by clicking Export CSV so that you can study and analyze your data further. You've seen, custom form fields transform your eCards into fully interactive, branded, and high-performing experiences. But to get the best results, implementation matters. Let's walk through key best practices to maximize impact and ensure a seamless user experience. Number 1, start with user experience. Keep forms concise, balance data collection with engagement. Next, design your fields for clarity and usability. Keep a clean, consistent visual layout and use descriptive labels and helpful placeholder text. Number 3. Plan your data strategy from the start. Define the purpose for each field and always stay mindful of privacy and compliance standards. Finally, keep your forms fast and responsive. Minimize required fields for essentials and drive continuous improvement with testing and feedback. So, what do you get with custom form fields? Interactive, personalized eCards that engage and inform. Structured data collection that fits seamlessly into your brand. Simple management with powerful analytics and testing. And a solution that works across industries, teams, and use cases. Ready to elevate your eCards? Start building yours today.